Welcome to DigiBuddy. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can compress your videos without losing any quality. For that, first open your Play Store or App Store and search for Video Panda. Click on the first app, install it and open it. Here you will see your videos. Select the video that you want to compress and click on Next. Here you will see the options for you to choose what's best for your need. For not losing quality, select the large file and click on Compress. Now wait till your video get compressed. Here you can see the size difference of the video before and after compression. Click on Compare if you want to compare the quality of two videos side by side. And as you can see, there is literally no difference in them. So use Video Panda if you want to compress your videos without losing any quality. And that's it for this video. If you want us to cover something next, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.